Welcome back to another Leadership with Purpose training. Today we're going to focus on the law of goal setting. This is one of the laws that I teach in our Leadership with Purpose program and coaching program, the law of goal setting. But we're going to talk about specifically how to write the goal. Because often leaders will ask me, does it really matter, Warren, and the language that I use when I write the goal? And actually the answer is yes. It's really important to making sure the language is clear and concise. In fact, I'm going to share with you 4 elements that is really important to make sure you include when you write the goal. In the program that we teach with Leadership with Purpose, actually there is a whole framework that I teach around goal setting, an 8-step pattern for success to be able to set and to be able to achieve goals. But today, I'm going to share with you really how to write the goal. The first thing you want to keep in mind when you're writing the goal is that you want to make sure that it's first person. You want to make sure that goal is about you, not about that team, but really about you. This is going to give you that intrinsic motivation of focused on accomplishing the goal, as well as what are your role and responsibilities to help to achieve the goal. So make sure that it's first person. When you write the goal, you also want to make sure that it's present tense. And we know that the mind can't focus on the reverse of an idea. So we gotta write the goal as if you've already accomplished it. Really important to have that language focused in. You can't focus that someday you're going to accomplish whatever your goal is. Now you have to write the language that it's clear and concise as if you've already accomplished it. The third thing you want to keep in mind is emotions. You want to make sure that you have words that solicit emotion when you think of your goal, when you think about achieving your goal. Is that going to give you joy, excitement, whatever that emotion is? I want you to include that language when you write your goal. And then the fourth thing, you want to make sure that you actually have a specific date. So it's clear and concise of when you want to be able to accomplish that goal. It's going to create that sense of urgency and motivation for you to be able to focus on that goal. So let me kind of share with you what a goal might look like if we use all of these 4 elements. It might sound something like, I'm celebrating on December the 1st, it's 2024, I'm confidently leading my team to complete projects on time, and I feel proud and thrilled to see our hard work pay off. So first person, present tense, we know the specific date is also included, and there's some emotional words, right? So when I read that goal, I know that I'm going to get excited about spending time and energy working towards that goal. So you want to make sure that you have all 4 elements when you physically write the goal. Effective goal writing is a powerful way to be able to really turn your dreams into reality. So remember, write it first person, present tense, with emotion, and specifically a date for accomplishment. So give it a try and see the difference. If you want to go deeper with Leadership with Purpose and learn some more strategies and tips that we teach in the seminar and the coaching program, make sure that you connect with us. There's a link down below to click on warrenwandling.com and find out some more about Leadership with Purpose. We'd love to be able to help you learn more skills around being able to lead from within. So if you like this material around Leadership with Purpose, make sure that you like this channel and share it out with other leaders or emerging leaders that are really interested to be able to lead from within so they can lead their team to the top. Until next time, make sure that you are leading with purpose.